Renovations, the word alone can cause headaches. My experience was weeks of searching, meetings, and still getting overpriced quotes. Finally, I found an affordable contractor, and I thought I could manage the project until we started. Yet when I needed him the most, he's nowhere to be found. He was often late. There was a lack of updates and care in general, and a lot of little surprises, which kept growing the initial quote and caused further construction delays. Eventually, lost in a sea of bills, it was clear in the end it just wasn't worth it. This time, try Eano. It's a software to manage your entire construction build with peace of mind. Get an accurate price up front before committing, and manage your whole build and every part of it, from permits to construction to buying material. With Eano, the plan is laid out with milestones, quality guidelines, and you approve payments. Have every stakeholder in the same chat to coordinate the schedule without miscommunication. Choose a preset style, or customize your own design. Hit submit, and we'll turn your dream home into a reality.